everyone, welcome back to Home Decor 101, your cozy corner for all things home decor. Now, if you love interiors that sparkle just right and blend elegance with comfort, you're going to love today's topic. We're diving into the world of modern glam bedrooms, what they are, how to spot one, and how to create your own glam oasis at home. Okay, so we're going to start with what is a modern glam bedroom. So a modern glam bedroom is where luxury meets minimalism. It's a style that combines the elegance of classic glam, the over-the-top frills, bells, and whistles like velvets and golds and chandeliers, but it's going to fuse that with the clean lines and simplicity of modern design. It's all about creating a space that feels chic and sophisticated without being over the top or fussy. So, how can you spot a modern glam bedroom? Just take a look for these key elements. The first would be statement lighting, like crystal chandeliers or gold sconces. You're also going to see some of the more sculptural type chandeliers that we're starting to see now in a lot of modern rooms. Then also look for tufted or upholstered headboards, usually in very over-the-top luxe fabrics like velvet or linen. Now keep in mind we're specifically speaking on bedrooms right now. Of course, if you were thinking about a living room, you may see tufted sofas or sectionals. You're also going to see some metallic accents or gold or brass details on furniture and decor. It's all about that slightly over-the-top glam without being too over-the-top. So we'll also look for neutral or jewel-toned color palettes. So I'm thinking blush, cream, charcoal, deep emerald, or navy. We'll also see a lot of mirrored or high gloss furniture that adds shine and elegance. I do have another video on my channel, home decor overall, not so much modern glam. So if I can remember, I'm going to link that here at the end of the video, but you're going to see a lot of the mirrored nightstands and dressers. You remember when that furniture was really big? I loved that. So modern glam is all about contrast, soft and bold, light and dark, matte and shiny. So let's talk about what makes a modern glam bedroom. A modern glam bedroom is elevated but still approachable. It's not I keep saying this phrase, but that's what I usually think of when I think of glam, over the top. So this isn't going to be so over the top that you don't feel comfortable or that you feel uncomfortable in it. It's going to be approachable. You can still go in the room. It's going to have a few glam touches, but it's going to feel like a room. It's going to balance luxury with comfort. The bed is usually the centerpiece of the room, so layered with soft, high-quality bedding, statement pillows, and maybe a faux fur throw just for texture. Nightstands often have really elegant lamps, but still a minimal decor vibe, like a scented candle or a small tray with metallic finishes. Wall art tends to be abstract or really bold, but a subtle bold. Maybe black and white photography or gold accented prints. A lot of things I'm seeing are the black and white photography in a metallic frame. So you get kind of the soft, nonchalant look with the black and white photography, but then you get your dose of bling with that frame. And don't forget texture, whether it's velvet, it's silk, it's satin, glass, marble, faux fur. I mean, so many options here. These materials add depth and richness without completely overwhelming your space. So if you want to create your own modern glam bedroom, here are a few very easy steps for you. Number one would be to start with a neutral base. This is probably the first step in a lot of home decor styles that I talk about because it's going to give you the most versatility. So white, cream, or gray walls work the best. And since we're talking about a bedroom specifically, add a bold upholstered headboard that's going to instantly elevate your space. There are tons on Amazon. I've helped people find, and I'm going to go ahead and place a few in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Just some upholstered headboards that don't have to cost an arm and a leg. So also incorporate those metallics, and you can place them in things that are very obvious and areas that are very obvious and some that are not so obvious. So very obvious would be, of course, mirrored furniture pieces, like we spoke about the mirrored nightstands, the mirrored dressers, mirrored tables, but you can also place them in places that your eyes usually don't go to first. So you could do maybe a wooden nightstand or dresser and just add in some gold drawer pulls or silver picture frames on a table. Also use soft lighting. Add table lamps with crystal or gold details or a really glam chandelier. We've talked about lighting before. Now is the time for a lot of your ambient lighting. This wouldn't be the daytime bulbs. I think we've spoken about that. A lot of you guys said that you hate daytime bulbs in a home, and I totally get it. It's a harsher look, but now's the time for you to use, I wouldn't so much use yellow lighting, but a lot of your soft lighting. You can also layer textures, so mix velvet pillows, silky sheets, and a faux fur throw for that really lush, glamorous feel. Also, my last tip would be to keep your decor minimal but intentional. So trays, candles, elegant floral arrangements will go a long way for this style. And that's it, you guys. This was just going to be a really quick video because I got tired of just putting videos up that just show the picture without providing some commentary for you. So that's just your quick guide to modern glam bedrooms, how to spot them, and how to create one that feels stylish, cozy, and really elegant, but it doesn't look like you're trying to be elegant. It's effortless. So if you've loved this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips and room makeovers. Let me know in the comments which glam element is your favorite. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, whether you choose a modern glam bedroom, a rustic bedroom, or even a shabby chic, those things bring us happiness, and it's good to step into a beautiful room. But the most important thing that you can have in your home is a happy family and a sense of gratitude. As always, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, friends.